नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर an inspiring story, true value of life with you. So without any delay, let's begin the story. A man went to God and asked, what is the value of life? God gave him one stone and said, find out the value of this stone, but don't sell it. The man took the stone to an orange seller and asked him what its cost would be. The orange seller saw the shiny stone and said, you can take 12 oranges and give me the stone. The man apologized and said that the God has asked him not to sell it. He went ahead and found a vegetable seller. What could be the value of this stone? He asked the vegetable seller. The seller saw the shiny stone and said, take one sack of potatoes and give me the stone. The man again apologized and said he can't sell it. Further ahead, he went into a jewelry shop and asked the value of the stone. The jeweler saw the stone under a lens and said, I will give you a $5 million for this stone. When the man shook his head, the jeweler said, all right, take $20 million, but give me the stone. The man explained that he can't sell the stone. Further ahead, the man saw a precious stone shop and asked the seller the value of this stone. When the precious stone seller saw the big ruby, he laid down a red cloth and put the ruby on it. Then he walked in circles around the ruby and bent down and touched his head in front of the ruby. From where did you bring this priceless ruby from? He asked. Even if I sell the whole world and my life, I will not able to purchase this priceless stone. Stunned and confused, the man returned to the God and told him what had happened. Now tell me, what is value of life, God? God said, the answer you got from the orange seller, the vegetable seller, the jeweler, and the precious stone seller explain the value of your life. You may be a precious stone, even priceless, but people may value you based on their level of information, their belief in you, their motive behind entertaining you, their ambition, and their risk-taking ability. But don't fear, you will surely find someone who will discern your true value. In the eyes of God, you are very, very precious. Respect yourself. You are unique. No one can replace you. So दोस्तों, moral of the story is respect yourself, don't undermine yourself. You are unique. no one can replace you. We need to be placed ourselves in the correct place to get maximum value out of our life.